This is Dr. Joe Pat Hatem, Mayor of the City of Southport. I would like to give you an update on several topics. The City of Southport has just released its first newsletter. Go to cityofsouthport.com and click on newsletter. There you will find a wealth of information concerning our city. I also would like to mention that it is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. We will be doing a proclamation at the Board of Aldermen meeting. In the meantime, please wear your pink. I have on my pink ribbon bow tie, and also I'm wearing my pink Chuck Taylor All-Stars. It is also Fire Prevention Week. The theme, Serving Up Safety in the Kitchen. Make sure you watch the videos the emergency service team has put together. Now, concerning the COVID-19 pandemic. In the United States, 7,418,836 cases, including the President of the United States, who, as you know, has been hospitalized at Walter Reed National Military Medical Center. The President has risk factors, and due to these risk factors, he has not had mild disease. He, like the majority of Southport, is an at-risk population. We wish him and all those who have become ill with the coronavirus a rapid and full recovery. In North Carolina, cases are not decreasing. With the first 3 days of October, 2,277 cases, 1,117 cases, and on October 3rd, 2,202 cases documented. In the U.S., there are 40,000 new cases diagnosed each day. So again, the virus is not going away. In Brunswick County, 1,725 cases, with the month of September showing an increased rise in cases since the end of August. Our state is now in phase 3 of easing restrictions as announced by Governor Cooper with Executive Order number 169, which took effect October 2nd and will be in effect through October 23rd. What does phase 3 mean for Southport? Bars with outdoor seating may reopen subject to reduced capacity limits. Indoor bars remain closed. So outdoor bars such as American Fish will be back in business. Museums, aquariums remain open. Movie theaters are now open, again subject to reduced capacity limits. Meeting spaces in hotels, conference centers, meeting halls, and reception venues may host receptions, meetings, and other functions subject to reduced capacity limits and other restrictions. The order does not change mass gathering limits from 25 people indoors and 50 people outdoors. Southport facilities, such as the community building, will remain closed except for city and governmental meetings until the end of the year. This is in fairness and is an equity issue to those who have had to cancel their plans in using our facility. There are also health consequences to consider as we approach the convergence of COVID-19 and the beginning of influenza season. The order says may open, and we have to form a policy as to how to enforce other restrictions. Regardless, we will make preparations to be open beginning January 1st, 2021. The best approach to COVID-19 continues to be avoid getting sick from the virus. This involves public health mitigation measures, including universal wearing of facial covering, avoid crowds, physical distancing. Outdoor activities are safer than indoor activities, and wash your hands. Again, this is a highly transmissible virus going from person to person in a very efficient way. We must rely on scientific research and evidence and public health initiatives in our decisions and how we conduct our lives. We continue to need identification of cases, isolation, quarantine, and contact tracing. And do not ignore that tracing phone call. So wear your mask, wait, and stay at least 6 feet apart. Wash your hands, and be assured that if you do so, you will be among one of the heroes that will help to save lives. Stay well, stay safe, and stay Southport strong.